guys, here's the deal. Camera was at 40% before we got here. It's a little cold, so it's down to, it says nothing right now, but so it's really cool. We're at the overflow camping area. Went up to go check out if any of the yurts were occupied, and the signs both said unoccupied. It's about 3 o'clock, sun's going down. If someone doesn't get to that yurt by 7:30, we're sleeping in a warm spot tonight. What was that? Or even 6, you'll see us in a warm fire tonight. Stay tuned.
This is only the beginning.
Oh, my, see it? Can you see it? All right, so we made it to the yurt that is unoccupied at the moment. It looks pretty warm. What would you do? Comment below. Because what you do is you buy these in advance for the night. You rent it for the night, 70 bucks. The door's unlocked. You just have to register. So we're down yonder in a tent with a nice fire going. But over yonder is a nice yurt with a wood stove. If we stay, should I pay? Should I not? I don't know. I'm from E-Riv. I like to support local. So we'll see. We'll see if anyone shows up. Whoops. Push the, oh, sorry, bud. Push the record instead of the photo. Trying to grab a photo, guys. Alaska.
Is that the wind that's making that? Or is that the
That's the sleet. It's the yurt, everybody. This one's nice. I thought, oh, because they're single bunk beds. Should we start up the fire for someone? So it is like 6 o'clock, and we had to hike it back up to the yurt because we didn't get in the tent quick enough. It was like 60% supposed to be snow, 60%, 40% supposed to be ice rain. Turned out it was ice rain, so if nobody shows up, we're gonna stay in here. We're just drying our stuff just in case anybody arrives. We'll say thanks for, well, hopefully they'll thank us for getting it warm. And then we're gonna head back down onto our tent. I went down there, grabbed one sleeping bag just in case. Tent failure, which the tent's fine, so nothing's gonna get wet inside. But now we're gonna eat.
That looks so cool.
Huh? Well, guys, we made it through the night, and I will say I've never made it through a windier night than that. The yurt literally felt like it was gonna fall off of the cliff, but apparently this spot is always windy, so I guess it's just another night on the River Rapids yurt. Mom's picking us up, 10:30, about 9:15 right now, so we'll be heading out soon. Like and subscribe. Yeah, we're back to Arizona.
How icy the trail is. I'm walking on the side.
into trees. I don't slip and fall on my butt. Nice view though.
Well guys, thanks for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. First time I stayed at River Rapids Yurt. First time Annabelle stayed there as well. Yeah, so it turned out that nobody showed up at that yurt. They paid 70 bucks, they didn't show up. So if you're watching, thanks. You know, we're keeping it stoked for you. But I think honestly it was New Year's, it was the day after New Year's. I think, you know, someone just went too hard. Last day in Alaska, headed back home to Arizona. Walking down the old bike trails, having a good time, memory lane. Subscribe, peace.